Happy birthday, Eman!
Birthday na Eman nung Monday. Dapat tahimik lang.
Uy, kuntahan naman natin.
Nasa call sila gaw.
Ang bibisi nyo naman. Walang may gusto. Eman, di ka nila mahal ha.
As a people
Makikita mo to
pleaser.
ha.
As a people pleaser. Hala. Wish ka muna, wish.
Anong wish mo?
Wish ko
Oo.
para sa ating lahat.
Wow!
Bakit naman yung blue eyes na Eman?
Ay,
Tingin nga ng blue eyes mo. Parang kasi Edward Cullen. Ito si Bella. What happened, Bella? Birthday, Eman. Sana maging successful ka. Birthday, Eman!
Happy birthday, Eman. Sana magka-jowa ka. Happy birthday, Eman. Yun lang.
Happy birthday kay Eman. Galingan mo lang sumayaw paglasing.
Happy birthday. Yun lang. Thank you for being nice.
Hi, Eman! Happy birthday! More lalaki to come. Ay, lalaki. Babae pala. Sorry.
Happy birthday, Eman. Ayun, sana maging kayo na ni Krisha. Tuloy mo na. Yan.
Hi, Eman.
Happy birthday, Kuya Eman. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Eman. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Eman. Happy birthday, ano ba na yun? Birthday 3. Happy birthday 3. Charing.
Hi, Eman. Happy birthday. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey, Eman. Happy birthday. Pagaling ka. Hala.
May sakit ba? May sakit?
Hi, Eman. Happy birthday. Salamat sa pizza.
Birthday, Eman.
Happy birthday!
Sana may pizza. Kaya Starbucks.
Happy birthday, Eman.
Good message.
Eman, maghanap ka na ng jowa. Consistent.
Happy birthday, Eman! Pero ganito ka lang. Tapos ko to. Okay lang. Ganun. Yung iba ganun. Ikaw. Pahingin yung tiyan eh.